Hello, this is Crypto Neptune, and in today's video, we're going to talk about, can ZBCN get to 1 cent? Can it even get to 10 cents in this bull run? So we're going to break down my thoughts on the trajectory of this project. Remember, nothing I say is financial advice, only use risk capital, and thank you to those who continue to support the channel. ZBCN has just been on an absolute tear, and it's up 121% over the last week, but a huge green candle, and it is continuing to trend on various social media platforms. But props to the community as they continue to believe in ZBCN. And if we go over to coin market cap, we're currently sitting at 0.004 and some change, so roughly around that particular price point. But the thing that has me intrigued with ZBCN is the fact of the trading volume. The trading volume continues to increase over 24-hour time spans. Right now, it's sitting at 130 million in trading volume, which means that there are a ton of eyes on ZBCN. So, for example, even if let's see, if we expand this, as you can see, on May 19th, there was only 10 million in trading volume over a 24-hour period. And then it just kind of just spiked up to 54 million in 24-hour period. This was on May 22nd. It did its pullback, as you can see. Then it just went on a magic carpet ride. So as of May 24th, 81.81 million in trading volume. And it continues to increase, which means people are very favorable on the Zebec Network. And what exactly is the Zebec Network? It is a payroll system. So basically moving payroll from V2 from Web 2 to Web 3. So it's an upgraded payroll system moved to the blockchain. But then, here's some positive sentiment comments here. Crypto market update, ZBCN disrupts the space. And let me see if I can find another one. Yeah, here's another one by Fortune Crypto. It basically says ZBCN weekly highlights trending on CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko. Top 10 utility project on Solana. That's another thing. Could this potentially get to 1 cent? Could it potentially get to 10 cents? And the fact that this is on Solana that has a lot of whales with a lot of capital, and it's just a heavy, heavy volume chain, it is like a no-brainer as far as what this project can do. As long as again, the volume continues and community sentiment seems to be high, and that's what we're seeing here. Up 116% this week, 320 million plus market cap, nearly 60,000 holders. Right? So it's broken all-time highs. So here's the all-time high as of May 24th. This is the all-time high, 0.00405 and some change. It runs up, does a little pullback, runs back up, creating higher highs. But the thing is just the community continues to communicate and continues to push this out, and it's easily accessible. So this project, it's not hard to get. So let's see if we can adjust this here. It's not hard to get. It's on different exchanges: Deepcoin, Gate, OKX, MEXC. It's on there. BitGet. And then if we continue on down here, crypto.com. So you name it, it is on some different exchanges, and you can even trade this within your Phantom wallet and easily get it. So easily accessible, trading volume extremely high, community sentiment at an all-time high. And another cool thing is the holders continue to grow. My last video, we were at 54,000 holders. Today, we're at 57,000 holders. Just like that, gained another 3,000 holders, and more people are saying, oh, I probably should get a bag because it's under 1 cent. Now, not financial advice, but a good entry point would be below 1 cent because you can get you a nice bag of ZBCN. So anything below a penny is a great entry point. As it goes further and further up, that's just more and more gains for you. But this is impressive. The holders continue to accelerate at a high rate. So definitely cool to see that. And what else is going on with ZBCN? As you can see here, engagement is up. So more people are engaging with posts. They're talking about it. Yeah, it says analyze the data for various social media platforms. Engagements track include views, likes, comments, retweets, and upvotes. Yeah, 3.75 million in engagements. That's up, which is again a bullish sentiment. Mentions are up. More people are mentioning Zebec Network. More creators are talking about it. Sentiment is up. Social dominance is up. That's probably, let's see, social dominance. Share a voice across social media data. Yeah, so social dominance is up. Price is up. You name it. This continues to trend and has all the makings to be a potentially a top 100 project. So let's see. Let's go back over here. So currently ranked 160. So yeah, can it break the top 100? I believe so. With its community is the foundation of everything. If you have a strong community, anything is possible. And we're seeing people that are from XRP who are looking to if they who missed out on life changing gains with XRP, they're coming into Zebec because you can get it in at a cheap price and you can get it in at these low prices. People that are in Tailcoin, again, another large community, a lot of those are coming over because this particular project has that heavy volume that we like to talk about. So a lot of people from different communities are have their eyes set on Zebec Network. And let's see what else. So going over to Coinpedia, I thought this was kind of interesting too. From a technical analysis perspective, this has been rated a strong buy. So definitely cool to see that. Is saying this project has kind of all the makings to be something special as far as it being, again, a payroll utility coin in which you can get paid by the second, changing the game from being paid every week, every 2 weeks, every month. You get paid by the second. They have debit cards for Zebec Network. And then they have point of sale devices that will be at brick and mortar locations at some point. Again, that would create more buy pressure on ZBCN because you have those point of sale devices at the different locations and they're going to need some ZBCN to have certain perks. So definitely cool to see that. And if we kind of read here. First looking at the simple moving averages, the short term 5-day and 20-day moving average show a bullish crossover. Yeah. So again, nothing lasts forever. You need to have like your profit taking strategy. So make sure you have your profit taking strategy, whether you want to, whatever price point you want to take profits, you make sure you kind of have that number in mind. But for me personally, with the trajectory, this one I feel, in my opinion, can get to 1 cent, can also get to 10 cent because of the simple fact of the community is growing at an alarming rate. The holders are growing at an alarming rate. You have 130 million plus in trading volume over a 24-hour period, which is extremely bullish. And you're on Solana which is a volume heavy chain. There's going to be some people that are tired of chasing meme coins and want to being a solid utility project that is just kicking butt right now. So I want to thank you for listening to this video, and thanks for stopping by.